Hey guys, it's me again. It's me, Moist Andy, and I have the chicken and the bicycle today. This is the bicycle I used to ride in high school, believe it or not. What I want to do is lean it right there. Okay, perfect. I just went to the store. Alright. Okay. Get that radio. Alright. This is the chicken. Let us examine. This is the rotisserie chicken today. I'm at the park. It's some kind of skate park in Falls Church. I don't even know what it's called. How splendid. Okay, then. This is exactly what I came here to do. See, the thing is, I skipped out on dinner and breakfast this morning, so I'm really hungry. Wow. The seasoning is just right. Oven baked. Okay then. Little bones here. The flies are already coming towards me. Wow. Even the end of the chicken bone is fantastic and crunchy. Oh yeah, burnt to a crisp right there. I love it. Okay. Old pile of bones here. All right. I also got some pita bread at the Giant in Route 7, Falls Church. I've just been riding around all day. Enjoyed the nice weather here. This is a substantial amount of protein. I like it. I probably haven't had this much protein all in one sitting for many weeks. Because all I do is I mix up a protein shake and I have a salad. And there's nothing wrong with that either. It's cheaper. All these groceries though was $40. So it's gonna last me all day. Definitely way cheaper than restaurants. I haven't gone eating out at all in many months, actually. It's not even worthwhile. You get more for your money at the store. Oh well. Here is the rest of it. I'm gonna save it for later, probably. Gosh, I just need to taste the white meat though. Let's see here. Oh, it's still hot. This is good enough here. Wow, that's fantastic. You see, when you go so long fasting, foods begin to taste colorful or something. It's crazy. You start tripping. It's just really weird. You can feel as you digest every last calorie. If you're a skinny person, you feel it though. Like, it affects your mood, man. It's crazy though. Oh yeah, dude, that was just perfect. Is this cooled off yet? Oh, so tender. Whoa. I just grabbed that with my hand, my left hand, in the rotisserie chicken. Oh yeah. I didn't bother to wash my hands or nothing. I'm a nasty ass. I'm a cyclist. Okay, like, let's be realistic here. Why would I bother doing any of that? Because I'm outside anyway. I'm exposed to the germs constantly. Nothing but straight protein for a while. Although, like I said, I'm saving it for later. I'm not trying to be so extravagant. I'm not trying to be greedy. By pigging out here, that doesn't necessarily make me stuffing my face doesn't make me into a glutton at all, because I spend so much time without eating anything at all, and then this is what I gotta have. Always I have to remember to have a piece of fruit with every meal. It's a good plan. The self-checkout said, "Oh, please call for help for assistance," just because I was getting these bananas. I rung everything else up, and I rang these up last because I had a feeling that something like that would happen with the produce. So she walked over there and finished checking it out. And then I have broccoli slaw. That's like for like some kind of a salad later tonight. This pita bread is very interesting. It says, what it says here is Joseph's pita bread. My name is Joseph. If you didn't know, I don't know. But it's not like the best quality, but they make it from high like nice, like flavorful. The flour that they make this from is different from all the other flour. If you try to make some bread, you would think that all the flour tastes the same, right? But that's not necessarily the case with this. This is a little bit different here. I'm gonna have this right now. Oh yeah. I feel like this would be perfect with something that has fresh garlic and barbecue, or like some kind of a ribs. I had some beef ribs just the other day, and that was it got me through the week. Let's just say that. Big huge thing of beef ribs in my freezer. I thawed it out. I pulled the ribs out, and I let it in the fridge for a while. Then oven broiled. Broiled is in the oven is just the same as barbecue. It's just about the same temperature, except you do it inside, indoor. You don't even have to go out in your house. You don't have to go out in the humidity if you don't want to. You can cook inside in the comfort of your home using your oven. That's what you get to do. How many I got here? Like, okay, they gave me 4 of them. Isn't that nice? All right. the rest of what I got here is some cheese and more fruit, berries. Exactly what I was planning. I was hoping when I walked in the store, I was trying to find all these things. And then as I walked around, I kept listening to my radio for a couple more minutes. And I very quickly came up with it. I don't need the grocery cart. I always walk around the store and just grab everything in my arms. What's the problem with that? I don't need to touch those nasty grocery carts. I don't trust them. They're full of germs, right? So why would I want to touch that? I'd rather just touch the groceries with my arms and grab them in my arms and run to the cash register as quickly as I can. That's how I go shopping. I do these things every day, actually. So I suppose if I had a cart, I'd only have to do that once a week. Wouldn't that make more sense? These are difficult sometimes. Alright. My hands are so greasy. Oh, okay. It's fresh. Oh, yeah. Building up a little pile here. Oh, isn't that just nice? This is delicious. I'm so glad I got this, actually. This is a lot of calories, too. It'll last me all week, probably. I don't even know. Maybe a few days. Well, I woke up and I got on the bike with nothing in my stomach. And I don't tend to do these things, but I mean, the coffee wasn't even ready and it was noon. And I wasn't able to leave the house with coffee, so I just decided to just go out. I skipped out on coffee today. I have no caffeine in my system. I'm completely I'm on the straight path. I'm living the life like uncaffeinated. Like, so I have to. It's almost like, yeah, I can't have any though today. Jesus told me to get rid of my coffee cup. Take my coffee cup away from me. I will not have any coffee today. Like, usually I like to sit in the commuter parking and sip on some propane coffee. Like I brew that in the back of my truck. That's how I get around. That's how I stay up. That's how I am able to stay focused for long durations of interval of time on the roads out here. You gotta remain alert. This is the safety thing. 15 minutes right here. So all I have is just, this is all the chicken I have. I don't know if I should have it now on the spot or probably focus more on some of these berries. These will go bad probably before the chicken, wouldn't it? They both are covered, they both have a lid. Nice little plastic here. Bike around with these all day. Stick it in a bag and ride. Have a snack somewhere else. I didn't even get any milk because I already got milk in the fridge. I wasn't able to access the fridge though in the middle of the day. The kitchen was closed. I couldn't get into the kitchen at all, so I just headed on a bike with nothing in my stomach. Maybe it would be helpful if I had my own kitchen. I want to have my own refrigerator. And I definitely need my own oven, stovetop, something, even though I could use the propane. That's an outdoor thing though. Doesn't it produce more carbon monoxide? I don't want to breathe that stuff. You do it in the back of your truck. That's how you use your propane. You're probably not even supposed to barbecue with propane. You're supposed to barbecue with charcoal. Lump charcoal or briquettes or whatever wood you got. That's how you cook your meat. Propane is for other stuff. Make some coffee or something. If you're gonna go and purchase any propane, take that to the rest area or go to the nearest commuter parking and hang out for hours and hours and listen to the radio while you make maybe 2-3 cups of coffee at first and maybe 2 more later. So 5 cups of coffee total. You would stay up all night for sure. Maybe into the morning and see the sun come up. You can't do any of that and get sleep deprived from it though. That is unsafe. Only do that sort of stuff like once in a blue moon. I'm saying the body is able to quickly adapt to any kind of stress, no matter what it is. But if it's chronic, it happens over and over, then it doesn't compensate for any of it, and it's detrimental, and you gotta like fix it. That's all I meant to say, man. Mango. Let's examine this mango. Okay. Plenty of 3 types of berries.